Are you ready to discover which hunting rifles are taking 2025 by storm? Gun stores can't keep these models on the shelves, and hunters everywhere are rushing to grab them before they sell out. From long-range precision shooters to lightweight all-around performers, these rifles are changing the way Americans hunt this year. Whether you're chasing whitetail, elk, or just want the latest firearm technology, you'll want to see which rifles made the list. Stay tuned, because one model will shock you with its insane accuracy and popularity. Number 5. Tikka T3X Bolt Action stands out as a reliable choice for hunters who value precision and ease in the field. Built by Sako in Finland, this rifle uses a cold hammer-forged barrel that ensures tight groups even after many shots, making it ideal for big game like deer or elk at ranges up to 300 yards. The smooth 70-degree bolt throw lets you cycle rounds quickly without taking your eye off the target, which is a big plus when game moves fast. Weighing around 6.5 pounds in most models, it's light enough to carry all day through rough terrain without tiring you out. The synthetic stock is rugged and weather-resistant, perfect for rainy hunts or dusty plains, and it comes in many calibers like .308 Winchester or 6.5 Creedmoor to match your needs. Hunters love how it handles recoil softly thanks to the thick recoil pad, so even newer shooters feel steady. With the adjustable trigger that breaks clean at about 3 pounds, you get consistent shots without jerking the rifle. It's also easy to clean, with a free-floated barrel that keeps accuracy high over time. Many say it's the best value under $800 as it shoots sub-MOA right from the box with factory ammo. For 2025, sales are up because folks want a no-fuss rifle that just works, whether you're stalking whitetails in the woods or spotting pronghorn on open land. The modular design lets you swap stocks or add rails for scopes without hassle. Overall, the Tikka T3X builds trust with its simple, tough build that focuses on what matters, getting your shot on target when it counts. It's not flashy, but that's why it's flying off shelves. Hunters know real performance when they see it. Pros, super accurate with sub-MOA groups out of the box, making long shots easy for ethical harvests. Lightweight at 6.5 pounds for all-day comfort in the field. Cons: factory trigger may feel a bit heavy for some, though adjustable. Limited built-in rail space means adding one for bigger scopes. Number 4. Marlin Model 1895 Lever Action. The classic feel of frontier hunting with modern twists that make it hot for 2025 big game pursuits. Chambered in powerful 45-70 government, it delivers heavy-hitting energy for bear or moose at close to medium ranges, up to 200 yards, where quick follow-ups matter most. The oversized loop lever works great with gloved hands in cold weather, letting you cycle rounds smooth and fast like in old westerns, but with Ruger's updated cold hammer-forged barrel for better accuracy. At about 7 pounds, it's balanced for offhand shots in thick brush, and the stainless steel finish shrugs off rain or snow without rusting. The ghost ring sights pair well with a scout scope for fast target pickup, and the side-loading gate makes topping off the tubular magazine simple without dropping your aim. Recoil is stout but manageable with the rubber butt pad, and it feeds all kinds of ammo from mild factory loads to hot hand loads. Hunters praise its reliability, no jams in mud or after a long hike. Priced around $200, it's a step up from basic levers, but worth it for the laminate stock that feels premium. In 2025, demand spikes as more folks seek versatile rifles for woods hunting, where speed beats long-range precision. The 18.5-inch barrel keeps it handy for tight spots, and the Picatinny rail lets you add red dots for low-light dawn hunts. It's tough, with a laminate forend that won't warp, and the action stays slick after thousands of rounds. For those who love tradition but want proven power, the 1895 is a shelf clearer that honors the past while tackling today's hunts head-on. Pros: powerful, .45 to 70 round drops, big game quick with deep penetration, fast lever action for follow-up shots in close quarters. Cons: heavy recoil can surprise new shooters on bigger loads. Tubular magazine limits bullet types to flat nose for safety. Number 3. Ruger 1022 Semi-Auto Rimfire. The Ruger 1022 Semi-Auto Rimfire rifle is a fun, affordable pick that's dominating 2025 sales for its endless versatility. Chambered in .22 long rifle, it plinks squirrels or rabbits out to 100 yards with low recoil that lets you stay on target for multiple shots. The 10-round rotary magazine loads easy and drops free, and the semi-auto action cycles most ammo without hiccups, from cheap bulk to match-grade hollow points. Weighing just 5 pounds, it's perfect for youth or all-day walks in the uplands, with a synthetic stock that handles bumps and weather fine. The 18.5-inch barrel with fiber optic sights gets you on target quick, and the crossbolt safety is simple for quick on-off in the field. Add a threaded barrel model for suppressors to keep things quiet around spooked game, and it shines for stealthy pest control. Priced under $300, it's the gateway rifle that hooks folks on shooting, and its huge aftermarket means custom stocks or optics in minutes. In 2025, it's hot because ammo is cheap and plentiful, ideal for training new hunters without breaking the bank. The lightweight build swings fast for flushing birds or groundhogs, and the adjustable rear sight tunes for your load. Reliability is Kino stovepipes after cleaning the Easy Bolt. It's not for big game, but for everything from backyard plinking to farm protection, the 1022 delivers smiles in full bags. Hunters stock up on it as a truck gun that never lets you down, blending nostalgia with practical punch. Pro's super low recoil and cheap .22 ammo make it great for beginners and long sessions. Huge aftermarket for easy upgrades like stocks or barrels. Cons Mike .22. LR limits it to small game only. No power for deer. Can be picky with dirty or low-quality ammo if not maintained. Number 2. Ruger American Gen 2 Bolt Action. The Ruger American Gen 2 Bolt Action Rifle upgrades the Budget King for 2025 with features that make it a must-have for entry-level big-game hunters seeking value and performance. In calibers like 6.5 Creedmoor or .308 Win, it reaches out to 400 yards with flat trajectories for clean shots on mule deer or antelope. The spiral fluted barrel cuts weight to 6.2 pounds while threading for brakes or cans, reducing felt kick on magnum loads. The ergonomic stock with adjustable comb and length of pull fits most shooters right away, and the power bedding system locks the action tight for tack driving accuracy under 1 MOA. The marksman trigger adjusts from 3 to 5 pounds for a crisp break, and the tank safety blocks the bolt for safe carry unloaded. At $650, it includes a flush-fit magazine that's easy to load in cold fingers, and the Cerakote finish on some models fights corrosion in wet hunts. Hunters rave about its balance for prone or offhand, and the included pick rail mount scopes hassle-free. Sales boom in 2025 as word spreads on its out-of-box precision with factory Hornady loads. The free-floated barrel stays cool for follow-ups, and the synthetic foreign grips well in rain. It's modular too. Add weights for stability or chop the barrel for brushwork. For those starting out or upgrading without splurging, the Gen 2 proves you don't need fancy to hunt smart, earning its spot as a shelf favorite that punches way above its price. Pros, affordable at $650 with sub-MOA accuracy for confident long-range shots. Threaded barrel ready for suppressors to cut noise and recoil. Cons, stock can flex under heavy torque from tight slings. Rotary mag holds only 4 rounds in some calibers, limiting quick reloads. Number 1. Daniel Defense DDM4 V7 AR-15 Semi-Auto. The Daniel Defense DDM4 V7 AR-15 Semi-Auto redefines modern hunting with its mil-spec reliability tailored for hog or predator control in tough spots. In 5.56 NATO, it spits 55-grain soft points at 3,000 FPS for flat, fast hits out to 300 yards, dropping feral pigs before they bolt. The 16-inch cold hammer-forged barrel with M-LOK rail lets you mount lights or bipods for nightstands, and the free float design boosts groups to 1 MOA with match ammo. Weighing 6.2 pounds, it shoulders quick for running game, and the ambidextrous controls work for lefties too. The Geiselet-inspired trigger breaks at 5.5 pounds smooth, and the 6.8-inch MFR rail keeps hands off hot pipes. With a mil-spec bolt carrier that runs dirty after dusty hunts, it's built to last 10,000 rounds. Priced at $1,900, it comes optics-ready with flip-up irons as backup, and the Daniel stock adjusts for perfect cheek weld. In 2025, it's flying off shelves as suppressor-ready laws ease, pairing quiet with lethal on public lands. The chrome-lined chamber eats steel case ammo cheap, and the H-buffer tames gas for softer recoil. For tactical hunters chasing coyotes at dawn or hogs in thickets, the V7's modularity shines add a red dot and laser in seconds. It's not cheap, but its flawless function and lifetime warranty make it the go-to for serious takedowns, blending AR toughness with hunting smarts. Pros, rock-solid reliability with zero malfunctions in field tests, even dirty. Lightweight modular rail for custom setups like lights or grips. Cons, higher price around $1,900 limits it to dedicated buyers. Standard trigger okay, but aftermarket upgrade needed for crisp brakes.